Looking for a highly equipped SUV with the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in bright white. With black headlamp bezels, body color grille with platinum accent, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, Jeep black gloss badging, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5180A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.